All right, track fans, let's rewind the clock. On this very day, May 30th, back in 2010, the legendary Veronica Campbell-Brown lit up the track in Daegu, South Korea. It was a performance that reminded the world why she's one of the all-time greats. VCB absolutely flew in the 200 meters at the Daegu International Meet. She crossed the line in a blistering 22.29 seconds. That time wasn't just fast, it was a statement, leaving a stacked international field in her wake. This victory was more than just a win. It was proof positive that VCB was in peak form. Heading into a crucial track season, she showed everyone she was ready to compete at the highest level. Her explosive start and signature elegant stride were on full display. Veronica Campbell-Brown has always been an inspiration. Her dedication and success have motivated countless young Jamaican athletes, particularly aspiring sprinters dreaming of Olympic glory. She embodies the spirit of hard work and excellence. From her roots in Trelawney to podiums across the globe, VCB's career is simply phenomenal. Multiple Olympic gold medals, World Championships titles. Her resume speaks for itself. She is undeniably one of Jamaica's most cherished sporting heroes. Her impact extends far beyond the finish line. VCB represents the power of perseverance and the heights that can be reached through talent and grit. She continues to be a beacon of hope and pride for the black, green, and gold. And that, track fans, is This Day in Jamaican Sports History, powered by All Sports Jamaica. Subscribe now for more legendary moments and to celebrate the rising stars repping our beautiful island. Give us a thumbs up, share, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment.